everyone, welcome back to my channel, My Crypto Teacher. My name is Ida and I am your crypto teacher. I am going to talk to you all about this crypto crash, and I'm also going to talk to you all about what I sold. But let me tell you, you are a future millionaire. You are in a great place, and I am going to share some news you can use today and tell you why crypto is not going anywhere. It's not going anywhere at all. When the market drops like this, that means that these cryptos are on sale for big time. It is a fire sale. I did sell, and I'm going to talk to you about some of what I did sell, but I'm also going to tell you what I bought. So, my name is Ida. I bring you videos every Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. Download the YouTube app so you can turn on notifications. I told you all, if you're following me, that my goal by the end of January is to have at least 200 subscribers. And so I would appreciate if you share this information with anyone, because believe me, guys, I am giving you all information that you can use that can help you on your journey to becoming a crypto millionaire. Okay, I'm excited. So let's get started. So let's talk about what's going on. Let's talk about crypto. First of all, guys, cryptocurrencies, think about it like this. It's just a software company. Every crypto that you own is a software. So think about Microsoft, Oracle, Apple. Those are software companies. That's all crypto is. Remember, crypto is not a coin. It's nothing tangible. It's software. And your crypto is software that runs on a network. And when you own that crypto, that makes you part owner of that network. Okay? So the crypto that you own, you're buying the technology of tomorrow. You're buying the Apples and the Microsofts and the AT&Ts of tomorrow. That's what your crypto is. And so if you haven't watched my video, Crypto for Beginners, I talk about and I explain utility. That's why I tell you all, I only buy projects that have utility. Because if they have utility, that means that they are an excellent software company. Okay? So your crypto, it's just a software company. You're buying the technology of the future, and I assure you, the technology is only going to get better. Remember, technology, you can never walk it back. People will never have a television where they turn the channel. People will never have telephones that they plug into the wall. People will never use internet where they have to plug in a modem and dial it up on a telephone to get a connection. Technology goes forward. That's what it does. So when you purchase specific crypto projects, you're just buying the technology of tomorrow. Okay, so all right, so what did I sell? First of all, let me tell you, I am not a financial advisor. I am not. I'll never tell you what to do with your money. This is your money. I do what I want to do with my money. You have to do what you want to do with your money. Okay, now here is what I would have done. I have a substantial amount of money in the crypto market. I have a substantial amount because remember, I started this around April or May of 2020. After the crypto market crashed, it dropped drastically. I had been watching videos and studying about it, and I got in. And because I got in at a time when the market was down, when the market ran up, I was able to capitalize and lock in a substantial amount of profits, okay? Now, I have a lot of crypto that is staked because I believe in staking. I don't leave my money on the table. And remember, I told you, if you haven't watched my video about staking, when you stake, you're just staked. There's nothing you can do. You cannot touch that crypto. So even if I wanted to, there was nothing I can do. So part of my portfolio is staked, and some of it is not. And so I chose to sell. I sold Solana. I'll tell you why I sold Solana. I started buying Solana when it was about $168, $170. I got in, I consider it to be late. So I started buying Solana very expensive, and I had a lot of it. So what I wasn't going to do, because I had a substantial amount of money in Solana, it didn't make sense to watch it just dwindle down to a very small amount. I decided to sell my Solana, and then depending on how low it gets, I will buy back in. But if I do buy back in, it's going to be at a substantially lower price. And because I did lock in some profits and take some money, I'll be able to buy even more Solana. The second crypto I sold, which is just one of my favorites, but again, I'm not emotional. Chainlink hasn't done very well this last year. And I had a lot of money in Chainlink. So I just felt like, let me sell most of this position. And I went to cash. I just bought some, I converted to USDC because I can still earn 9% on my money while it's in USDC. And I sold a lot of my Chainlink. And then as Chainlink continues to drop down, I'll go back in and buy it. Now, those were two of the major ones I sold because I just had a lot of money tied up in those. And I just could not risk losing a substantial amount of money. Even though, remember this, you haven't lost anything until you sell. So I could have held on to them, but I just felt like, let me just sell these. And if they drop down low enough, I can buy back into my positions, okay? Now, again, that's because I had a substantial amount of money. And I'm just going to say this. When I say substantial, I mean more than 6 figures, right? So that made sense. Now, if I only had $3,000 or $4,000 in the crypto, I wouldn't do anything. I would let my money, let it sit there. You haven't lost a dime until you sell. You have not lost a dime until you sell. If you have less than $10,000, I am not a financial advisor. But if I had less than 10 grand, I wouldn't have touched a thing, right? Especially if I was in the negative. Now, if I was in profit and just wanted to lock in my profit, maybe so. But if I had less than a few thousand, I wouldn't have sold anything. You're just going to ride it out because as you can see today, the market did rebound, right? Just a little bit. We are not out of the woods, but we are close to being, I think, at a bottom. We may take another leg down, but I don't think we're going to go back down a lot more substantial than we have, okay? And today is Monday, January 24th. I want you all to have this date. So what I did buy today, I increased my position in Polygon Matic, M-A-T-I-C. I love Matic. I love the work that they're doing. I love that project. I just think that Matic is going to be the network of the future. I think it's going to be something big. I bought me some more Matic. I bought me some more Algorand. I increased my position in Cardano. These were just some things I wanted to buy more of. I had sold out of my position in Zeal. I bought me a whole bunch of more Zeal. Harmony One is one of my favorite chains. I bought me some more Harmony One. What else? I bought me some more basic attention token. So you can see they dropped down to prices that were extremely low and I took advantage. And these are the kind of days where you can make a ton of money. Okay, now that's all I'm going to say about what I sold. And I also bought. Okay, so here's the big news. This is why I'm telling y'all, crypto is not going anywhere. United States, our president today, President Biden, let me tell you what's going to happen, guys. Crypto, don't sleep on crypto. Stay with it. Biden preparing executive order on cryptocurrencies. Biden preparing executive order on cryptocurrencies. This was published January 24th. You can see the article, look it up. The White House reportedly is seeking a central policy role on crypto. And so here's the deal, guys. January 24th. They know what they're doing. The Biden administration reportedly is preparing an executive order concerning cryptocurrencies to be issued as early as sometime in February 2022. February is in 7 days. They know what's going on. I'm telling you, they know what's going on. Do not let these people cheat you out your wealth. Don't let them do it. President Biden, he is going to sign the executive order. I'm telling you, he's going to sign it. And I want to give a shout out. I watch a lot of YouTubers that make sense, who are reasonable, not these young folks who just talk about moon, 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 and up, 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 and give you unrealistic expectations. This guy, his name is Rob. His channel is Digital Asset News, DAN, D as in David, A as in Apple, N as in Nancy. Rob is very sensible. He's extremely knowledgeable. He has another website that explains everything about crypto that you would want to know. So I was watching him, and he was the one who shared this article, and he got it from another guy off of Twitter. So I want to give Rob from Digital Asset News a shout out for this information, so you can see what's going on. Now let's talk about the key takeaways. The key takeaways. Number one, the United States is maintaining U.S. leadership in the global economy is one of their goals. See, the United States is falling behind on crypto. They haven't been up to par. They haven't been doing what they normally do. But if the United States wants to maintain the economic superpower, they better get with the program lickety-split quick with these cryptocurrencies. Think about it, guys. Let me tell you how big this is. The United States is the huge financial superpower of the world, right? The United States accounts for 50% of the entire financial market in the entire world. 50% of the financial market of the world comes from the United States. That's huge. So what that means is when the United States gets on board, guess what? Everybody else gets on board. So when President Biden signs that executive order, and he puts these agencies to work, agencies with an S, not agency, not one small place with a corner office. No. Agencies. I'm telling y'all, they are working on this. They know what's going on. Cryptocurrencies is not going anywhere because this technology, this software, cryptocurrency, for us to stay dominant, we've got to adopt it. Okay. So the Biden administration reportedly is preparing an executive order. A key goal of the order is to develop a coordinated policy response from all agencies and departments within the United States federal government. All agencies, that's a whole bunch. It's about to blow up. It's going to be big. Cryptocurrencies, this software, remember software, it's not going anywhere. Technology does not walk backwards. This stuff is just getting ready to get better. Also, the order may be issued as early as February 2022, 7 days. News about the order came a day after the Fed released a report on the pros and cons of a U.S. central bank digital currency, a CBDC. Don't worry about that if you don't know what it is. I'll talk about that in another video. But there is news you can use. Feel good. Feel safe about your crypto investment. Know that you are investing in the technology of the future. I hope you've done your due diligence. Watch my videos, how to select the right kind of cryptos. Pay attention to the all-time highs, right? Buy your crypto at a discount. So when everybody else is getting in late, because they will get in, they're going to get in. They're going to have to get in. Pension funds are going to have to get in. The United States is broke, guys. They got the Great Resignation. They don't have people going to traditional jobs. Therefore, those people are not paying into the Social Security Fund. They're not paying taxes. The United States has to do something, and so do these companies. And guess what the answer is going to be? It's going to be cryptocurrencies and digital assets. Don't forget about digital assets. So that's all I have for you all. Today was a wonderful day for me, and it will be a wonderful day for you too. I don't have to get a part-time job. Some of these people are joking about, no, because I made good decisions. I knew when to buy in. Today didn't scare me at all. I was so excited. I didn't know what to buy, but I bought several cryptos that I wanted. It's several that Engine, that's another one. That's in the metaverse. Engine I just love that project. I've been dying to get some Engine, and I loaded up today. So in a year, 9 months, I'm going to be a very happy camper. Okay, so that's all I have. My name is Ida. Please click on like and subscribe. Share this video with someone that you know, and make sure that you subscribe to my channel. And remember, I have videos every Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday. And that's all I have today. I am out. Take care.